Hello guys, how are you today? Welcome to this course, English course. My name is Pedro J Aragon, and today you are going to see a little information about what you are going to be facing in the course. To continue with this short presentation, I'm going to show you a little bit of the content we are going to be learning in this course, and also I'm going to explain a little bit of the objectives we are going to have. First of all, let me introduce you the topic. It is my daily routines, and during this class we are going to be facing 5 different contents. The first content is going to be the daily activities vocabulary you are going to have. So this is going to be related to what it says here at the beginning of this sentence. It says daily activities. Also, as a number 2, we are going to be facing verbs conjugation with the ES and the IES at the end of each verb. Also, I'm going to teach you a little bit of the use of do and does for simple questions. Just not question what we know already. That is number 4, sentences with the verbs conjugation. Here we're talking about simple sentences, but this is something that I'm going to be teaching you more, and the objectives that I'm going to explain. And to finish, this is going to be a daily routines information, or daily routines description we are going to have at the end of this course. Now, part of my objectives, as a number 1, this is going to be the student will learn daily routines vocabulary. You know, here this is connected with the number 1 content here, where you are going to learn daily routines vocabulary. Number 2, it says the student will be able to conjugate the verbs with ES and IES. Now, first of all, let me tell you that for you to apply the number 2 here, you need to know first of all the daily activities vocabulary and the verbs you are going to face with the number 1. Everything you are going to be studying in this course is going to be connected, right? And number 3, it says the student will be able to create questions using the auxiliaries do and does. As you can see, number 3 here, it says use of do and does for questions. So you will be able at the end of this course to create questions, simple questions, just no questions, making use of the auxiliaries do and does. Number 4, it says students will be able to create complete sentences with the simple present. Now, for you to create complete sentences, it is necessary to know what are verb conjugations and the daily activities, right? So once you know daily activities, once you know the verbs conjugation with ES and IES, once you know how to create questions, just not questions with do and does, you are going to know, and it's going to be easier for you to create sentences with the verb conjugation, which is the number 4 here. And finally, and the most important part, it's the creation. You are going to create. You will be able to create, right? And speaking. You will be able to create a speaking about the daily routine. That means you are going to describe the daily routine of someone else. It can be your routine, or it can be someone else's routines. Since we are studying the verbs conjugations with ES and IES. Now, let me give you an extra material, right, that it says expectations. This is my expectations at the end of this course. For example, it says the student can communicate effectively. This is very important, this word, because when it says effectively, it's giving me a positive message that you will be able to do, you will be able to create something at the end of this course. And it says making use of the simple present and the verbs conjugation in a 100%, right? Number 2, one of my other expectation is that the students identify verbs that will apply the ES or IES at the end of this course, right? So what does it mean? It means that once you speak effectively, it's going to be easier for you to apply the ES or the IES and the verbs you are going to use to conjugate. Now it says the students can get a clear uh, a clear speech talking about the daily routines of someone else, right? That's what you are going to be able to create once you finish this course. Well, guys, that was part of the information I wanted to share with you. I hope you really enjoy it. I hope you be interested with this one. If you have any question, do not hesitate to contact me, guys. Thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful day.